Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm just share with you guys. Maybe you've been wondering, is it important to make playlists on your YouTube? I would say, yes, it is indeed important to make playlists on your YouTube. So, here are the two reasons why I said yes, playlist is important. For the first one, of course, the UX. The UX, it will be make easier for your viewers, easier for them to search more deeper into some specific context. For instance, if you are doing this of vacation, you could doing a playlist of, for instance, vacation on Switzerland, vacation on South Africa, etc. It makes people if that want more content from you, it's really easy, or user experience is easier for them. Just click on the playlist and then all the vacation from the Switzerland will be there. That's it. That's the first one. And then the second one, this is not from the user viewpoint, but for our as a creator, we can see group of analytics regarding of the playlist. So unless unless you think unless you think that analytics is not important, but for me, analytics is really important to make our strategy in YouTube, to make flourish our ideas on YouTube. So if you never known before that we could see the analytics of playlist through this one. So if you open your YouTube Studio and go to the analytics, sorry, you go to your content, and then you can see the playlist here, all listed all my playlists. And then for instance, I will see the Dragon Ball Legends. This is the tutorial of Dragon Ball Legends. I can see the analytics, and then it will be shown all the video inside this playlist. As you can see on this playlist, the real-time views is only 23. So obviously I will not create another video about the Dragon Ball Legends. So another case is this FIFA Mobile or FC Mobile. I can see this analytics, and then it's shown that 334 or 334 people views on the last 48 hours. So it does make sense for me to fill in more videos on this playlist rather than on the Dragon Ball Legends, like I said before. So this is how important you make a playlist on your YouTube, since you can grouping the context of your videos, and then you can analytics which context in a bird eye view, I mean in the larger scale, which one is suitable for your audience. But I think of course the quality of each video is really important, but from this one you can see the larger picture or the big picture of your channel. Okay, this very simple video. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.